In today's video, we will be discussing the modern age and the postmodern age. The modern age, which is 20th century, starts from 1901 to 1945, and the age postmodern starts from 1945 and till now. World War I and II happened in modern age. World War I was in 1914 to 1918, and World War II was from 1939 and 1945. This age was a reaction against Victorian culture after the death of Queen Victoria. In this particular time, American Revolution, French Revolution, and Russian Revolution happened. Characteristics of century: spirit of questioning, individualism, celebrating of inner strength, art and science, variety of novels, crisis and chaos in society. Transformations old to new: industrialization, politics, society, science and technology, culture. These were the things which transformed from old to new. Realism to represent things as they really are, represents reality and avoid what is unreal or subjective. Naturalism shows man as a part of nature and rejects supernatural elements. New Grab Street and Whirlpool are examples of naturalism by George Kissing. Symbolism: things represents as idea, equality or condition, as the way used Vedanta in poem. William Butler Yeats and Indian pantheism for its expression. Impersonation, musical moments. Impressionism, musical moments happened in this particular time as to convey different moods and expressions. Novelists were Joseph Conrad, James Joyce, D.H. Lawrence, H.G. Wells, Samuel Butler, George Orwell, Virginia Woolf, F.M. Foster, J.M. Barrie. Dramatists were John Galsworthy, E.S. Eliot, G.B. Shaw, and the poets were W.B. Yeats, T.S. Eliot, Rupert Brooke, Robert Graves, Dylan Thomas, and John Masefield. Modernism, postmodernism, Commonwealth literature, world literature, new experiment and techniques, World War literature. These were the literatures which were rising at the time of this particular time between modern age and postmodern age. These were the changes which happened. Now we will study the difference between modernism and postmodernism. In modernism, late 19th century of World War II, criticism of wealthy people, working class rised and started writing. The people were tired of same culture writing styles. They wanted to separate cultural style and modern age. It was based on Western and European style or thoughts. It influenced by First World War and lyrical thinking rised. In same way, what changes had happened in postmodern age? After World War II, postmodernism starts. It examined human nature. These people wanted to club everything. It concluded every culture. The postmodernism was a reaction against modernism. It was influenced by World War II and irrational thinking rised during this time. Now, translation authors are of this age: Thomas Hardy. In both ages, Victorian modernism, Victorian novelist published in Victorian era poem moderns. Harry James, Joseph Conrad, English learned, then wrote Heart of Darkness and other works, and J.M. Hopkins. W.B. Yeats, Rudyard Kipling, The Jungle Book. He wrote The Jungle Book. American writers moved England for career options as there were more career options rather than America. Robert Frost gone back to Canada after some time. T.S. Eliot took citizenship in 1927. D.H. Lawrence, Dorothy Richardson, James Joyce, and Virginia Woolf.